Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptiacademy.com to access free video course having video lectures, having practice questions with video solutions and past papers with video solutions. Now this is the 17th question of UKMT Senior Mathematical Challenge exam for year 2022. The question says the shape shown is made by removing four equilateral triangles. So this is the shape. I have just enlarged it here first of all. So we'll look at this shape only. The shape shown is made by removing four equilateral triangles with side length 1 from a regular octagon of side length 1. What is the area of the shape? So I will first complete the octagon here. This is a regular octagon. So from this octagon, from this 8-sided figure, I have removed these four equilateral triangles. And each side of the equilateral triangle is 1. Each side of the octagon is 1. So from here, what we can find is then area of this part, area of the shape will be area of the octagon minus 4 times area of the equilateral triangle. So what is the area of octagon? So first of all, let me derive the area of octagon. If you don't know the formula, so you need not know the formula. So let this side be A. Okay. In octagon, this angle is 135 degree. Each interior angle of an octagon will be calculated as n minus 2 into 180 degree by n, where n is equal to 8 in octagon. So each interior angle will be 6 into 180 divided by 8. 6 into 180 divided by 8 is 135. So each interior angle is 135 degree. Okay. Now to find area of this octagon, what I will do is I will create these right angle triangles, 4 of them, so that I get a square. So I've got a square here now, and here this is A, 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 this is A in a regular octagon. All right. Now if I look at, let's say, this right angle triangle, if I take, just enlarging it, this is 90 degree. This part is 135. That means this angle has to be 45, because this is 135. The remaining has to be 45. Similarly, here it is 45. That means it's an isosceles triangle. Here it is A. That means this is A by root 2 and this is A by root 2. Okay. Because this is an isosceles triangle, these two sides have to be same. So here this becomes A by root 2. Here again it becomes A by root 2. This is A by root 2, A by root 2, and so on. So side of square is what? A by root 2 plus A by root 2. That means A plus 2 times A by root 2. That is A times root 2 plus 1. Okay. Root 2 into root 2 is root 2. So A root 2 plus A, that is A times root 2 plus 1. So this is side of the square. So area of the square is A times root 2 plus 1 whole square of that. That is area of square minus area of these 4 right angle triangles will give me area of the octagon. So area of 4 right angle triangles will be 4 into half into base is A by root 2. The other base is also A by root 2. Okay. A by root 2 into A by root 2 into half, and 4 times of that. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So this goes away. So this becomes only A square. Here it is A square times root 2 plus 1 square of that. That is 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2. A square plus B square plus 2AB minus A into A, which is A square. So here it will be 3A square plus 2 root 2 A square minus A square. That can be written as 3A square minus A square is 2A square plus 2 root 2 A square. That is area of octagon of side A. 2A square plus 2 root 2 A square. Coming back here, area of octagon is 2A square plus 2 root 2 A square. It is 2A square plus 2 root 2 A square. Here A is 1, side is 1. So area of this octagon will be 2 plus 2 root 2. That is area of octagon. Minus I'll do area of these equilateral triangles. That is under root 3 by 4 into side square is 1 into 4 of them are there. 4 equilateral triangles are there. So this becomes 2 plus 2 root 2 minus root 3. 2 plus 2 root 2 minus root 3. That will be the answer. 2 plus 2 root 2 minus root 3. Answer option B is the right answer.